Hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a free virtual background for your video calls that you're gonna attend over Zoom or Google Meet. They all provide you with the feature of changing your background, virtual background, but you can customize them. You can get customized virtual backgrounds as well. Now, in order to do it, just simply open your fresh web page, and here you have to search for Pexel. Spells something like Pexels. Just simply search it and open this first website. Now here, describe what you want as your background. For example, if I write living room here, now it will provide me with a beautiful living room background that I can use over my Zoom meetings or Google Meet meetings, and I can customize them as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.